If you want to set a song as a ringtone on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna choose Sound and Vibration, and then in here we can go to Ringtone Alert. Now, in here, we can go to My Sounds in order to be able to add our own sound. So we're gonna press on this plus button in the bottom right corner. There is a chance that you won't see anything in here. You will find no files at all. So in that case, you want to tap on this hamburger menu icon in the top left corner on these three lines. So if you see something like this, then we can switch to any of these other categories. So for example, we can go to audio. Now I assume that you have your song saved on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So now we just have to find the song where it is saved. So most likely you can just choose audio over here and then go through folders that you have in here in order to eventually locate the music audio file that you have. So we're gonna select it in order to add it to the list. Make sure to select the song on this list and then we can tap on save in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.